Hello and welcome to Technique. Today we are going to unbox Motorola's, that is symbols, LI4278 wireless barcode scanner. This I order through an online website, and you can see that the box condition is not that good as it should have been. Anyway, this is a sealed box, as I know. Now I'm going to unbox this. Yeah, something there. Yeah. Now you can see I'm opening this. I've raised up the hole. Okay. Here is some nice bubble wrapping. Okay, so there are two boxes inside the box. This is the box of the cradle. Sorry, this is the box of LI4278. As you can see here, LI4278. Probably it is containing the barcode scanner, the handheld scanner. Yes, it is. And this is the scanner, the handheld wireless scanner. Yeah, you can see this is very handy. Yeah. Okay, now come to the another box, which is there. Okay, it's very tight. It's very complicated. I can see some other papers coming out, some kind of. Okay, and this is the cable and the cradle. This is the cable, USB cable, which you connect to this scanner, handheld scanner. Sorry, this you connect with the cradle. The cradle is here. As you can see, the cradle is here, and this is the cables port, which is going to be connected here, and another port of this cable is USB, which you have to connect with your system or to your laptop. And when this scanner can be connected to your smartphones, which gives you some kind of easiness in managing things at your level. So there is liner, imager, user guide is there, quick start guide is there, so you would be able to find some of the codes which would help you to use this scanner in an efficient way. So that's all we can see. What is inside this box? Nothing else is there. As you can see, this is empty now. So you are getting a cable, USB cable, a handheld scanner, and the cradle. This is all what you get in a newly packed box of LI4278. So if you have any query regarding this, then you can put it in the comment, and we would surely answer your comments as soon as possible. Or if you want to buy this scanner, then you can log into cardcard.com. You can see there it is cardcard.com, where you can find this scanner at the cheapest rate. So that's all from this unboxing. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe our channel for such kind of updates. Thank you very much.